Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Princey and today I'm here with another short story for your listening and reading practice. The story also includes 5 difficult words with their meanings and their parts of speech. So watch to the end and try to learn new vocabulary in a fun way. Let's begin this story. The Brave Decision. Ria was walking alone when dark clouds suddenly covered the sky. Soon, heavy rain started pouring. She noticed a small puppy shivering near the roadside. People were passing by, but no one stopped. Ria felt compassion for the helpless animal and decided to help. They gently picked up the puppy and looked for a safe place. After a few minutes, she found a small shop with a roof. The shopkeeper appreciated her courage and gave her an old cloth to dry the puppy. Ria waited patiently until the rain stopped. Her simple act of kindness created a feeling of gratitude in everyone around. The puppy waited still and Ria went home with a warm smile. So, today, difficult words are compassion, which is noun, and the meaning is a feeling of sympathy and concern for others. Second is shivering, which is verb, and the meaning is shaking because of cold or fear. Helpless, which is adjective, and the meaning is unable to take care of oneself. Courage, which is noun, bravery, to do something difficult. And the last one is gratitude, which is a noun, and the meaning is thankfulness. So, I hope you like this story and learn some new words as well. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments if you want more short stories like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye and have a very nice day.